more than meets the eye. Earth tones dull to the eye, but a perfect complement to the sky. Clouds swirl, the river gives its love, tumbling in a passionate embrace over each rock and stone, showing its best face. The forest, green and gold, every shade possible, shapes hard to describe, beauty without bounds, limited only by the visionless seer. Pace of grace, floating gently by, scenes that delight my eye. Colors gray and green lift off with a light-heartedness rarely seen. Looking into my eyes, this outward soul speaks a magic deep and moving. Taken. Once alive and filled with flowing sap, budding leaves and home to birds and bees, swaying and playing in harmony with the breeze, now plowed down, nailed down, the beam in the ceiling, the corner fascia board, the floor beneath your feet, or the rafter above, silently in service, with nothing more to be said, heard, felt, or fed. But now this, only the whisper and tantalizing touch of passing air, the stinging pelt of rain, or the stain of snow to melt its silent core, unacknowledged, taken for granted, until it all falls down. River song. Yes, the rivers sing, and the trees too, dripping in mosses and shiny dew. The sun plays between their leaves and branches, while quiet pulses in the air. Gone is the crackle and musty dank of the city's Wi-Fi dust and petrol musk. I lie entranced by the complex simplicity of nature's offerings from dawn to dusk.